I'm assuming you've lost the door from your GoPro. I always have multiple GoPros going because of what we do. And I have regular waterproof door and the door so I could plug in accessories. And I'm always going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And eventually you go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth enough times, you lose them, right? And so I bought this one as a replacement. I haven't looked at this brand before, so let's take a look at it. It's certainly packaged well. There it is. Let's pull, where do I got one? I got one here on my GoPro 12. These things are always so hard to get off. Let's take a look at it. Physically looks exactly the same. Honestly, it would be hard to tell the two apart. They almost look like they're exactly the same. Let me put it on there. Make sure it actually goes on and connects. I know you're watching this because you lost yours already. Maybe you should buy two. I have multiple of them around, but I was getting low on stock and I thought I'd grab this real quick. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.